Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the YJ Petal Pyraminx. This is part 2 of the tutorial. Let's get started. So part 1 I showed about putting these edges and lining these two pieces up all the way around on all sides. So the next thing that we do is we're gonna put these pieces and match them in the right places. So the key on this puzzle is, picking one side, and you keep working on this one side with the pieces, like matching them up. You keep bringing them from the top to the bottom, and you keep working with that. What you don't want is to, let's say the red, you bring it over here and start bringing pieces down into place. Because once you do that, you're gonna misalign these edges, and it's gonna take you a lot longer. Because I've done this before, I've made that mistake a couple times. So it's better to just pick a side. It doesn't matter if it's red or green or yellow, and put on the bottom, and then we start matching up pieces one by one. So what we'll do first is we'll put this green here and bring it around like this. So it's right here. See, then when you bring it around, these stay in place because there's already three and they match up. If you bring a piece down, and like let's say you bring it down and you bring the wheel around to match up a piece, you're gonna misalign this, and then when you bring it back up, this piece will be out of place. So always try to keep, one set of the edges like this on the bottom, and just keep working with it. So now we did this piece. We're going to bring it up, bring it out of the way like that, and we bring another piece down. And we check to make sure on the top that these are all lined up. We bring the blue back, and we look on every side to make sure these edge pieces are in place. So they are. Okay, so let's see here. Well, we already have one matching, so we'll bring it up, and we'll bring this blue one down, because once we bring the blue one down, then we can match it up with this piece. So what we could do is just do this. We could bring it out of the way, bring this piece up like this, bring this back over like this, and just bring it down. Okay, so now we'll turn this, match it up here. Now we'll bring it up, and we'll find another piece. Maybe there's a piece that's broken. Nope, that's all right. We'll bring it up, bring it over, and bring this back down. Okay, so let's see. That matches. We need a green here. So we'll look on the top, see if there's a green around, a green piece that's not matching, which is this. So we want to bring that to the bottom. Okay. So what we could do is just shift this, because we don't want to take this outer edge piece out, because it's not complete. We want to just rotate it. Okay, so it's on the other side, and let's see, we're going to bring this green piece down so it'll stay down here. So what we do is we do a left, right, left, right, and then we check to make sure our edges are okay. We look around. Yes. Okay, so let's see here. So we're going to bring this green piece around so it matches here. Okay, so now it's in place, and what we want to do is just bring it up and out of the way. So we'll bring it up, bring it over, bring it back, and then we bring this back. Look around, make sure all the edges are in place, because sometimes they come out of place. It's crazy. I don't know how, but it just does. So let's see, what can we match up? Okay, so we got the yellow here, so we'll bring it here. So we could turn it. Yeah, you got to pretty much have this lined up to turn it. It's sort of crazy, but or I just use my fingernail, dig in there and just turn it like that. It's, for me, it's easier. So we matched it up. We want to bring it up and bring it out of the way, like this. Oop, bring it over, bring it down, bring this back. Okay. So now, let's see. Okay, so now we have this yellow here, and we'll bring it over here. So we'll rotate that. And I want to show you something. This is already matching. So once you rotate it, what we do is, you know, when we bring it up, bring it out of the way, bring this back down. Then you bring the red piece back here, so you don't misalign it, or you know, or you lose the place of it, so it stays matching. Okay, so let's see. Make sure everything's lined up. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring the yellow over here to match it. Like that. Now that it matches, we'll bring it up, bring it out of the way, bring it back down. And what we'll do is, let's see here. Got the red here that matches, green, and we need a red piece down here. So what we could do, let's see here. This red, yeah, we need this red to come down. So let's see here. So that needs to go here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring the red down, this red piece. So we'll do left, right, left, and right. Now remember, this is already matching, so when we're going to turn this here, we got to make sure we bring it back. So let's bring this over like that, and now we're going to bring it up, get it out of the way, bring it back down. Okay, so we'll bring the green back over here like that. So I think we have two pieces left, these two. I believe that's two left. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring this one up here, and then we're going to bring it back down so we can match it. Up, out of the way, back down, back over like this. Okay, so now we're going to bring it down. We'll do the sledgehammer. Right, left, right, left. Okay, so we'll bring this over here like this. Oop. We'll bring it up, bring it up, bring it out of the way, come back down, and then let's see here. We'll bring this over like that, and what we'll do is we'll bring this up, bring it out of the way, bring it back. Okay, so we gotta match up these two pieces. I think I don't know what happened, but crazy. Let me think here. let's see here. Maybe I got an idea. We'll bring it up, bring it over, bring it out of the way. And let's see here. So this piece is here. So I think I got an idea. Bring it up, bring it over, bring it down. And we'll bring this down here. So we could try to match it up. Left, right, left, right. And we'll bring it here. Well, it's a little tricky. Sometimes this could be a little tricky, to be honest. Because that's what happened. These two pieces switched now. See, that's what I mean is, like, I think I should have stayed with the green side, but yeah, I got a little off track. That's all right. Let's see here. So we'll go back to the green. I'm going to bring this down. Left, right, left, right. Okay, we got that there. Okay, those are in place. So, oh, I think I know what I'm going to do here. Hopefully this works. Okay, we'll bring this piece down, and hopefully this will work. Left, right, left, right. And we will do this, bring it over to match it up, red. Let's see here. Actually, you know what? Let me see something here. Might be able to cut something off here. So that matches. Oh yeah, okay, so I did it. I did it. So all the pieces match now. So that's what I mean. It could be a little tricky. I mean, you just sort of got to configure it, and then, you know, whatever's, you could rotate sides and just bring the piece down here, or you could rotate it, bring it down here to try to match it up until you got the final one. Definitely, if you have any questions, you know, leave them in the comments. Like I said, this is about the 10th time I'm solving it. I've solved it about 10 times so far, but sometimes it could be a little tricky, and especially I'm doing a video, and, you know, it's a little harder on video too, like especially if you're doing like a little harder, puzzles a little bit harder. Sometimes it could be a little tricky, and, you know, because you're trying to think about different things while you're doing the video and how to do it and so on. But, okay, so now the next step is we're going to solve it like a regular Pyraminx and just put the pieces in place, because everything all around is solved. So let's see, we'll put the red and yellow here because that's where it belongs. So we'll bring this up. Oop, wrong side. Bring this up, bring this over, and bring it down. Okay. Let's see here. Red and green, that goes right here. So we'll bring this up, bring it over, bring it down. It's in place. Got one more red for the bottom. It's right here. Just bring this over this way, and we'll bring this up, bring it over, bring it down. Okay, so then we just solve it like a regular Pyraminx. You do the move. Do the right, up, right invert, up, right, up, right invert. Do it one more time. Right, up, right invert, up, right, up, right invert. There we go. We solved it. Took a little while, but you know, that's the challenge. Sometimes it could give you a little bit of a challenge. But yeah, great puzzle. It's fun. Once you learn it and really know how to do it, it becomes a lot more fun. And, you know, it's just some parts are intuitive, and some parts you just got to think it through and try to match it up. Yeah, this is a really great puzzle. It's the YJ Petal Pyraminx. I paid $7 US, so it was cheap. I mean, I was really surprised it was that cheap for this. You know, like I said, it moves fantastic. Like this, all the way around, it moves very, very smoothly, no problems. So I mean, great puzzle. If you want a challenge and you're looking for a good challenge, this is it. But yeah, great puzzle. I really enjoy this. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And of course, I got my coffee. It's part of my puzzle thing. McDonald's, I love it. And have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.